With the foundation of blockchain and collecting on the advantages of decentralized finance, DeFi, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with the certified state sharding plan for viable versatility, killing energy and computational waste while guaranteeing disseminated reasonableness through a solid verification of stake agreement system. This interesting component means that information connected with exchanges will generally get assembled independently and not among the other data on a similar block, subsequently working with the dramatic speed of exchanges. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020, having areas of strength for and on security. Elrond network has worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has incredible potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currencies, chiefly for its local token, Egld, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed scaling, a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers consent-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy improvement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Egld tokens as impetuses in carrying out shrewd agreement expenses and move reserves. The most significant variables that move the cost of Elrond are the speed and reasonableness that empower speedier upgrades execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Egld, the ups and downs, the pearls and crowns. As of now, the Elrond cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight brief revision throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a coursing supply of 21,694,175 Egld. A great deal can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the rectification stage, and in no less than a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55, almost comparative patterns in Ben's win until 2017. In December, the Egld cost shot up, trailed by a cost remedy in 2018 summers. The drowsy stage went on for the digital currency, and the option of Egld added a leap forward. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform as the Egld token was recorded on the famous trade. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts declared by the designers through survey advertisements for cash, raising the toast to a notable $177. The coin got some momentum. The retreating period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a steady bullish push. In light of a coherent calculation, Elrond has both transient meetings and expected long-haul benefits. In view of the Elrond Egld cost forecast and our own examination, the Egld coin might reach $184.42 constantly Zen. As per the future cost expectations in Elrond gauge, the Elrond Egld cost is anticipated at $870.91 toward the finish of 2022. In view of the Elrond cost estimate done by Wallet Financial Backer, Egld's cost is supposed to arrive at a sign of $252.58 toward the finish of 2022, and cost is supposed to reach $612.27 following 5 years. In view of the Elrond figure, there is a major variety between the base and most extreme cost, which makes it challenging to choose whether to purchase Elrond or not. Subsequently, it is ideal to accept the base expectation as a rule, affirming it as help of $210.21, best case scenario. One's ongoing venture may be worth in the year 2026, in spite of the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation. This resource stayed languid to move an inch. To put it genuinely, numerous financial backers didn't have a clue about the resource even existed. As per our Elrond cost forecast specialists, these elements can help this symbolic increase a lot more. Exorbitant cost of $248.49 and lease cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto market go on into 2023, the Egld cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show more development than that of Elrond cost expectation 2022. Elrond value expectation 2024. There may be slight remedy saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suspicions by our Elrond Egld cost expectation specialists its base worth could reach $192.64. Greatest cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The interesting special endeavors might wrap up, making the financial backers gather the increases and make it a beneficial venture. This may be an ideal opportunity to trade Elrond. Elrond Value Forecast 2025. Elrond is likewise dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up the energy, gathering a huge market cap. Their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a greatest worth of $326.74. If you have any desire to realize other coin figures, then actually look at our post on cost expectation for digital currency. Elrond Value Forecast 2026. In the event that the crypto market turn good, the EGLD cost is set to break all obstructions and perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. However, there may be slight amendment in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. As per our Elrond EGLD cost expectation, upheld by vigorous savvy gets, the Elrond cost may effectively contact $308.52 before the year's over 2026 in the long haul. Today is a lot higher than the Elrond cost and will result as a drawn-out increment. When was Elrond sent off and who sent off it? Elrond was established in late 2017. It was established by Benjamin Minku and Lucien Todia, who were Elrond's rivals. However, numerous famous advanced resources from cryptographic money market like Tron, Phantom, Nervos, Binance Shrewd Chain, D-Force, Symbol, Gravity, Waves compensate for the opposition. EGLD stands apart exceptional because of its SegWit highlight. Is Elrond rising quickly or will Elrond crash? Inferable from the exchange speed, EGLD is an extraordinary fascination for purchasers around the world. Of late, since it acknowledges MasterCards as well and the validation goes before long, the stage has built up some decent forward movement. Fiat clients generally need to similarly sit tight for quite a while. With EGLD, I'll go the quick fire. How does the Elrond Group actually take a look at fake or questionable exchanges? Quick fire exchanges in no way, shape or form mean a mixture of duplication. The framework programming completely and carefully checks each exchange for any malware prior to handling the installments, thus permitting no questionable key picture or exchange likenesses. The excavators of Elrond guarantee sure there is no twofold spend. Will antivirus block my signing in Elrond? Indeed, it tends to be. The explanation, accordingly, being numerous framework programming bars any outer substance considering it malware. Subsequently, there are generally events that the EGLD interaction gets banished by your product as well. Numerous financial backers have this little difficulty that occasionally pops in. The best is to make an exemption so your enemy of infection permits EGLD to get to your qualifications. Where could I at any point purchase Elrond or sell Elrond? As a credulous contestant, all regarded trades end up showing this EGLD on their item range. You additionally will more often than not benefit from exchanging EGLD straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or Bitcoin, ETH, or other digital currency trades. However, these are only not many of the many trades. Financial backers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on Elrond. Might I at any point bring in cash with EGLD? Without a doubt, yes. Since the cash is only a couple of years old, its exhibition